Well, welcome back everyone, Happy New Year, and hopefully things this year should get far better than they were last year. Now, the question we quite often get is, why are our mountings for the isolastics so soft? A lot of people remember the ones that were on the market that were that hard. Now, they were never supposed to be that hard. They were introduced sometime in the 90s, we do believe, but originally they would have been soft like these ones here. Now, of course, we have got the drawings for these, and it has the actual shore hardness of the rubber on there, and that's what we get the manufacturers to manufacture as per they were in the 70s, which seemed to work really well then, works really well now. Some people find the hard ones that have been manufactured from the 90s through to about 2012, 2013 to be too hard when they're put into the isolastic mounts. And of course we have our little measuring device here which we can use to actually test the actual hardness of the rubber. Very temperature dependent, obviously. Rubber's like it's like a living material. The colder it gets, the harder and less compliant it will be. But realistically, these new softer ones make a big difference. If you're getting problems with vibration and you've not changed your isolastics in the past 15-20 years, get a new set with a softer rubber, put them in, set them up, and you'll most probably notice a big change. If you need any other details, contact myself at Simon at Andover Norton. Thank you very much.